Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit money onto your account within Pocket AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Pocket AI trading app on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, to deposit your cash, tap on the wallet icon at the top right corner. Then you can choose your desired payment method from the drop-down menu, and if you don't see the one listed, tap on choose another. After entering your amount, tap on continue and pay. And now you will end up within the account top-up page. After confirming your account and your payment method, go ahead and tap on continue and pay. You can also find a video guide to provide you more detailed instructions. After proceeding forward, you will need to enter the credentials of your chosen payment method. After confirming your payment and completing your transaction within the given time frame, the amount will be deposited within your Pocket AI account right away. And now you can start trading with your deposited amount. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to deposit money onto your Pocket AI trading account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.